Hey everyone, this is Durga here from Dafty Deems and we welcome you all to another macrame tutorial. In this video, we will show you how we made this hairband using macrame threads. Before we begin with the tutorial, I'll ask you to subscribe and turn on notifications and give this video a thumbs up. And if you get a chance to make any of these tutorials that we share, don't forget to tag us on Instagram, that is Dafty Deems. We would love to see your work. So to begin with, I'm taking this absolutely stunning lavender color ka 4mm ka single strand macrame cord and a hairband, a sellotape, scissor, and we'll need a measuring tape. To begin with, I'm going to measure the circumference of the hairband with the macrame thread like this. And then I'm going to measure how much is this circumference. It comes around 15 inches. So for our project, I'm going to take 15 into 4, that is 60 inches, and we will need 4 threads for this one. Once we have cut all the 4 strands, I'm going to keep a margin of around 2 inches and stick a sellotape on top of it. So first I'm going to secure the strands together with a square knot. From the left side I'll make a 4 and the right thread I'll remove it from the loop like this. And finish the square knot from the right side, make a 4 and bring out that left thread from the loop from the right side. Once the square knot is done, we will begin with our circle pattern. For that, I'm going to take both the corner threads and intersect them over each other like this and make a little loop. They are going to be our filling threads. And then bring the back left thread in front of the work and pull it from the loop of the left side like this. Same we will do from the right side. Bring the right back thread in front of the work and pull it from the loop of the right side, and then we will start stretching these threads outside like this. So the upper part of our circle is ready now. We will start working on the sides. For that, using the back left cord as the working cord, we will tie a diagonal double half hitch knot moving to the left like this. So we will tie the left cord around the leftmost thread like this. Same we will do from the right side. Using the back right cord as a working cord, we will tie it around the rightmost thread. So make a loop over it and then pull it from the loop. So the sides are done. Now we will repeat the same process again. Intersect the right and the leftmost cord over each other like this. Create a small loop. Then the back left cord will come over the working and go from the loop like this. And same from the right side, the back right cord will come over the work and go from the loop from the right side. Then we will pull all the threads over like this, and with this our first circle will be ready. This is how it looks. Then we will repeat the process from the left side, creating a diagonal double half hitch knot from the left and then from the right. I'm going to keep doing this till the desired length, and I will see you once I'm done with that. We have come a long way. Now it's time for us to measure this design over the hairband. So I'm just going to cover this design over the hairband roughly like this, and I think we have done enough. Now all I'm going to do is secure the end with a square knot, just the way we started. So in the beginning we made a square knot. Again I'm going to make a square knot at the end, and this is how the design looks. We will cut both the loose ends with the equal length. All we need to do now is put this design over the hairband. So for that, एक जो साइड है हेयरबैंड का उसके ऊपर हॉट ग्लू गन लगाएंगे एंड जो एक एंड है उसको उसके ऊपर ऐसे स्टिक कर देंगे Then I'm going to secure it with some more hot glue gun. Take a fresh macrame cord and stick it over the end of it and then start wrapping it on that margin. Once our design start, I'm going to flip that design and I'm going to wrap the hairband. Because this is a black hairband, I don't want the black to be seen. So जो macrame cord है उससे ये पूरी hairband हम पहले cover कर लेंगे और बीच बीच में ऐसे hot glue gun चिपका के we will keep on wrapping it. So I'm not going to wrap it completely right now. First I will also stick this design over the wrapped hairband. So जो wrapped portion है उसके ऊपर के साइड पे hot glue gun लगा के ये डिज़ाइन उसके ऊपर चिपका देंगे. And then once we reach the margin part, I'm again going to stick the loose ends of the design on the hairband like this and then wrap it with a macrame cord which was wrapped on the hairband. Glue the end of the macrame at the back and secure it. And with this, the macrame hairband is ready. I absolutely adore this hairband because of the stunning lavender color and the elegant simplicity of the design. It looks finished and is sturdy also because it has been secured with a hot glue gun. Anyways, we hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial video. If you have any other question, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being here. We will see you in next video. Bye bye.